Okay, so my goal for this section is to really help us get more and more comfortable with addition. It should be something that we understand from every angle and we can do without thinking. So this section says type the missing digit. So we have the answers, but we need to figure out what the questions are when there's digits missing, using our understanding of how addition works. So I'm going to show you a few examples. Essentially, we're solving the question and then figuring out what's missing. So I'm going to go ahead as normal. My first step would be starting at the ones column. I think, okay, 6 plus 5 is 11. So I put my 1 down and I'm carrying a 1, which obviously we know represents a 10 in this circumstance. Now we're in the tens column. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 7 is 16. So we have our 6 down, we carry our 1. This is where we're having to do that different kind of thinking. I think you can do it, just have to wrap your brain around it. We're thinking 1 plus what plus 2 equals 7. I would do it by thinking, okay, 1 and 2 make 3. So 3 plus what equals 7? I hope you know 3, sorry, that looks like a times, but should be a plus. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So let's check that again. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Beautiful. And the rest of it's done for us. 6 plus 0 is 6, 4 plus 2 is 6. So figuring out that missing number is 4. But yes, we have to solve the question in order to do that. So it's the same thing for this question. Type the missing digits, but we notice we're missing a couple more digits. So let's go ahead and start solving the question. 4 plus 9 is 13. So we have our 3 down. We carry our 1, which represents a 10. Now we're in the tens column. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 4 is 5. No need to carry anything. Now the hundreds column. 9 plus 7 is 16. When I think about that in my head, I think, okay, 9 plus a 1 makes 10. So I take the 1 from the 7, and then I have the 6 left over. So it's more, I think about it more as 10 plus 6 than 9 plus 7. But anyhow, that's a side note, whatever works for you. 9 plus 7 is 16. 6 down, 1 up. So we're carrying that to the thousands column. So this is a bit tricky. Miss Cooper, it says 1 plus 8 plus something equals 8. Well, we know we already have 1 plus 8, so that's 9. It's already bigger. We can't make that a 0 because it's already bigger than 8. So this 8 must be suggesting 18. So 1 plus 8 is 9, plus another 9 makes our answer 18. 8 down, 1 up, which makes sense for this last column, the 10,000s. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So our missing digits were the following. So even more missing digits here, but still the same concept, typing in the missing digits. Okay, 8 plus what equals, well, 8 plus, we're not talking about negative numbers, so 8 plus something must equal 14. We must be having to carry a 1 up there. I can even put that 1 to make myself feel better, so don't forget. 8 plus what equals 14? Hey, I'm going to count on my fingers here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 4 down, carry the 1. So again, we know that 1 and 6, looking in the tens column now, is bigger than 4. So this must be 14 again. So I'm going to carry that 1 sort of preemptively here. So I'm now thinking 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus what equals 14? I know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. So let's check that. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 7, 14. 4 down, 1 up. Again, this must be a 15 because 1 and 9 is already bigger than 5. Oh, that's a nice easy one. 1 and 9 is 10. So to get to 15, which is what we have here, we must add a 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 9 is 15. 5 down, 1 up. Again, 1 and 4, looking now in the thousands column, is bigger than 0, so that must be a 10. I'm going to carry the 1 preemptively. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 more makes 10. 0 down, 1 up. And finally, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 equals 6. That's it for the examples. Good luck with this section.